Welcome to Celebs Luxury, where we embark on an extraordinary journey of luxury and sophistication. Today, I am thrilled to take you on an enchanting tour inside the world's only 7-star hotel, the illustrious Burj Al Arab, nestled in the vibrant city of Dubai. Brace yourself to be mesmerized by the epitome of opulence, exclusivity, and elegance as we delve into every intricate detail that exudes luxury. From the very moment you step foot at the Burj Al Arab, you are greeted like royalty. Imagine arriving in a luxurious Rolls Royce, or even landing on the private helipad, creating an extravagant entrance befitting the high roller that you are. This exclusive resort caters to the most discerning clientele, and it's no wonder why it's considered the pinnacle of luxury. As you ascend through the majestic lobby, adorned with a grand staircase and sculptures reminiscent of a Hollywood cruise ship, you'll start to feel the allure of this extraordinary hotel. The suites themselves are a sight to behold, featuring lavish amenities that are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Imagine choosing from a pillow menu with 17 different types to ensure you enjoy the most restful night's sleep imaginable. The bedrooms exude opulence, with 4-poster beds placed on velvet platforms, transporting you to a world where you feel like royalty in your own palace. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views of the dazzling city, immersing you in an oasis of luxury and tranquility. The culinary experiences at the Burj Al Arab are equally extravagant, boasting 6 world-class restaurants. Whether you indulge in a dining experience next to a massive aquarium at Al Mahara, where they take seafood to an entirely new level, or experience unparalleled heights at Al Muntaha, perched 660 feet above the ground, your taste buds are in for an extraordinary treat. Throughout your stay, attentive butlers will cater to your every whim, adding a touch of personalized service that elevates your experience to new heights. The hotel even hosts various sporting events, including golfing and tennis on the helipad, where legendary athletes like Tiger Woods and Roger Federer have showcased their skills against the breathtaking backdrop of Dubai's skyline. As awe-inspiring as the Burj Al Arab is, it's not without its quirks. One intriguing aspect is its separate sewer system, operating independently from the city's setup. Though this may seem surprising, it is a small trade-off for experiencing such unparalleled extravagance in the heart of the desert. The Burj Al Arab stands as a testament to the utmost heights of luxury and elegance that Dubai has to offer. Join me on this unforgettable journey of indulgence and sophistication as we explore the world of the rich and famous and bask in the finest that life has to offer. If you crave more content that embodies luxury, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more extraordinary adventures on this channel. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to welcoming you in the next video.